What do we got here?
Hey, what's going on?
Looks like the mailman came again. Yeah, it's springtime. That means Camaro Parts. What do we got here? Let me get my knife. Huh? What do we got here, bud? We got something, don't we? Yeah. So yeah, it's springtime. Weather's not real great right now, but we're getting there. It's from Fast Tech. Free shipping. Okay, let's see what we got here, Buck. Huh? Everybody wants to see what you got, okay? What do we got? What do we get? Get it. Get it. Get it. Grab it. Get it. Get it out of there. Come on, get it out of there. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get out of there. Get it. Alright, let's see what we got here, bud. Okay, get that paper out of there. There we go. Yeah. They're round, they're heavy, they're red. Springs. Lowering springs, 1.5 inches. Look at that, even matched the car. Awesome. Yep. Hopefully get these installed next week. Drop the car 1.5 inches total. Get it aligned. Have a nice stance to it. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty excited. Just fill up them wheel wells a little more, you know. 1.5 inches doesn't seem like a lot, but yeah. Nice quality. Looks like they're powder coated. Look good. What do you think, bud? Huh, will that work? Huh, will that work? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Huh? Yeah, that's what we got. Little lowering kit, springs, unboxing for you. So I will obviously do another video. Got a Fast Tech Performance decal. Very cool. I will do another video when I take it down to get it done. Maybe JR at the shop will let me do some video of him doing it, putting the springs in, taking the stock ones out and putting these aftermarket ones in, and then I'll give you a look at the car when it's done, lowered to the ground, 1.5 inches lower. It's gonna be sick. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, so when I put up a video you'll get a notification, because it is summertime. There's plenty of car shows, plenty of racing going on, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you guys later.